Welcome to this exciting course, Financial Markets A to Z for Beginners. In this introduction, we're going to look at the course. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the instructor, which is me, Hari Swaminathan. Talk about the course objectives, audience. Most importantly, you're going to get some key takeaways, 4 key strategies specifically that you can use for immediate profits after taking this course. These strategies will allow you to create hundreds or even thousands of dollars in profits every month. So let's jump right into it. My name is Hari Swaminathan. I run a company called OptionTiger.com. I've been an options trader for about 8 to 10 years now, but I also have extensive experience with all the other asset classes like stocks, ETFs, bonds, including options and futures. I have a bachelor's degree in engineering from India and an MBA from Columbia Business School in New York City. I just want to tell you a little bit about myself and my Udemy channel. This is my Udemy channel. You can find me under udemy.com/user/Hari Swaminathan. I have 18,000, almost 19,000 students, about 24 courses and almost 600 reviews. Most of these courses are on options because that is my preferred instrument. My options trading bundle, which is a 3-course bundle, is a bestseller. There are almost 6,000 students enrolled in it. I also want to show you my website, OptionTiger.com, where I have some very sophisticated, elite, cutting-edge intellectual property methods for various kinds of option strategies like iron condors, weekly options, ETFs, day trading and swing trading with options, earnings reports, as well as spreads, straddles, and much, much more. Let's now talk about the direct benefits that you're going to get from this course. First of all, you're going to become completely informed about all financial asset classes and how to invest or trade in them. Then you're going to get these 4 key strategies. The first one is a low risk, high reward approach for massive profits using stocks and ETFs suitable for both long-term investors as well as traders. Next, you're going to get a low cost method to protect existing stock if you think it's going to crash. Third, you're going to buy stocks for much lower than what it's trading for. So for example, if a stock is trading at $500, we'll show you how you can pick up that stock for $475 or perhaps even less than that. Fourth, you're going to get a key strategy to create extra income from stocks you already own. So this is money in your bank every month from stocks that you already own. Throughout the course, you're going to see live trades on all of these asset classes. You can analyze these trades, maximize your winners, and manage your losers. The audience for this course is pretty much anybody, regardless of your background or experience. So whether you're a doctor, lawyer, computer programmer, it doesn't matter. This course is for everybody. And if you have less than 2 years of experience in the financial markets, you're going to greatly benefit from this course. If you already have an MBA or you're working with some investment banks, perhaps you may not get that much out of it, but I'm still confident that you'll get something out of it because it's such a comprehensive coverage of the global financial markets. Finally, every concept is demonstrated practically on a live trading platform. So this is not theory. You will see some theory because you need to understand the foundations, but everything that you learn is going to be demonstrated on a live trading platform. Let's briefly talk about the course agenda. We have to start with an overview of global markets, financial asset classes, who the big players are, how money flows around the world, and what are the core investing principles and best practices. Then we'll jump into stock and stock-based instruments like mutual funds, ETFs, industry sectors, and so on. Then you're going to get exposed to various trading and investing styles using technical analysis, fundamental analysis, day trading, swing trading, long-term investing, as well as value investing. Then the all-important bond market, where you learn the complete relationships between bond markets, interest rates, inflation, currencies, money printing, and the foreign exchange markets. Then we're going to study the volatile asset class of commodities. Then we get into some advanced asset classes. They are futures and options, and you're going to see several live trading examples. Then we touch upon some alternative investment asset classes like hedge funds, private equity, and crowdfunding. And finally, the most important part of investing and trading is the human element. And so we're going to cover that in the later section, and you learn all the pitfalls and what to watch for when you invest or trade in the market. Finally, as a conclusion, we'll talk about next steps. We'll do a recap of all the key points, and there is also a bonus lecture at the end. You do not want to miss this. So once again, welcome to the course. It's a very comprehensive course and you're going to get a lot out of it. So I look forward to seeing you inside. Thank you.